Hello again, everyone, and welcome to Module 2, the Big 5 Competencies. This module will dive a little deeper into the 5 competencies. In the last module, you learned that SEL is made up of self-awareness, self-management, responsible decision-making, relationship skills, and social awareness. Now, you'll get to dive deeper into each competency to see what attributes are associated with each. You will get to watch a short animated video about the competencies and some of the attributes. Some of you may have already learned about the attributes if you explored the CASEL website from last week. There will be a table as well loaded with information describing each competency in terms of meaning, what it may look like, and what it may sound like. This is an excellent table created by Panorama Education that will enable you to make some strong connections and associations. The discussion prompt will have you choose an SEL that you are interested in or feel is the most important, followed by, as usual, a quiz. Lastly, the assignment is a field experiment in which you will choose one competency and apply it to your personal professional life. The self-assessment you took last week will be a good referral in helping you decide which competency to choose. Should be a fun week. Hope you guys enjoy and see you in the next module.